Are you ready to transform your space with vibrant plants? Today we're exploring 4 stunning plants. These are purple Gynura, pink Spotted Hypoestes, silver Pilea, and blood-figured Calathea. Grouping these plants creates a beautiful, lively display. Let's break it down step by step. First, choose a bright location. Most of these plants love indirect sunlight. Next, select a cohesive potting style. Matching pots unify the arrangement beautifully. Then, consider varying heights. This adds dimension and visual interest to your display. Now, let's talk about their care needs. Purple Gynura likes moist soil but avoid waterlogging. Pink Spotted Hypoestes thrives in humid conditions. Mist it regularly for optimal growth. Silver Pilea enjoys well-draining soil and moderate watering. Finally, blood-figured Calathea prefers indirect light and soil moisture. For an example, place the taller Pilea in the center, surrounded by the shorter Gynura and Hypoestes. This design showcases their colors effectively. In summary, to achieve a stunning plant grouping, choose the right location, pots, and heights while considering each plant's care needs. Ready to create your plant display? Start gathering your beautiful plants today.